Hi everyone, welcome back to the Node.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the module. Module in Node.js is a simple or complex functionality organized in a single or multiple JavaScript files, which can be reused throughout the Node.js application. Each module in Node.js has its own context, so it cannot interfere with other modules. Okay, also each module can be placed in a separate .js file under a separate folder. Okay, so let's see the module. So switch to the project, and first of all comment this. All right, and now here create a new file. Okay, so just click on this, and let's say file name is calc.js. Okay, inside the calc.js file, just create an expression function. So just type here, so first of all create a variable. So type here var, let's say variable name is sum is equal to assign a function. So just type your function curly bracket start and close, and inside this function pass two parameter. Let's say first parameter is num1 and another parameter num2. Okay, and just return here sum of these two numbers. So num1 plus num2. All right. Okay. Now export this function through the module dot exports object. So the module dot exports is a special object which is included in every JS file in the Node.js application by default. Okay, so module is a variable that represents current module, and exports is an object that will be exposed as a module. Okay, so whatever you assign to module dot exports will be exposed as a module. So here just type here module dot exports. Okay, and pass here the variable name which is sum. Okay, this variable. All right, now save the file. Now use this inside the index.js file. So go to the index.js file, and here first of all require calc.js file here. So just type here var sum is equal to require, and inside the require just pass the path of the calc file. So type here dot slash represent the current directory, and just type here the calc. Okay, here .js is not needed because it automatically call the .js file. Okay, all right, now just use this sum function. So call inside the console dot log and just type here sum and pass two parameter. Let's say first parameter is 10 and another parameter is 40. All right, now save the file and run this. So switch to the command prompt and just type here node space index.js, and you can see here the result 50. Okay, you can also attach an object to module.exports. So let's say and create new file. So just click on this, and let's say file name is data.js. Okay, inside this data.js file just export an object. So just type here module.exports, and just exports an object. So create object, and inside this objects first element let's say name name is Jennifer. Let's say email Jennifer at the rate gmail.com, and phone, let's say phone name is 12345. Phone is 123456789. Okay, this is an object. Okay, now use this object inside the index.js file. So go to the index.js file and just first of all require this. So create a variable where, let's say, variable name is data is equal to require, and path of the file, so just type your dot slash and file is data. Okay, now just print this data, object data. So just inside the console.log, use this object. So just type your data, and first element, let's name, and just copy this two times, one for the phone email, and last one for phone. All right, now save all and let's run this. So switch to the command and just rerun the index.js file, and you can see here the name, email and phone number. Okay, so in this way you can use module in a node.js. So that's all about node.js module. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.